In this guide, you'll learn how to create an ebook with ChatGPT. Navigate to the website of ChatGPT, provide your credentials, and log into your account. Once you're over here, navigate to the section Explore GPTs. In the search box, type in Visme, a tool suite for presentations, documents, and graphic generation tailored to various creative tasks, including ebook creation. Choose the tool that best fits your ebook needs. Once you have selected the tool, click on Start Chat to begin interacting directly with ChatGPT. In this chat interface, type out the topic or theme of your ebook as well as any specific details, points, or styles you want to include. After outlining your ebook concept, click Submit. ChatGPT will generate content based on your input, creating a draft of your ebook. While some adjustments might be necessary, the bulk of your content will be ready. You'll get the link, click on it, and you will be directed to this page where you can find the ebook. So this way you can easily create ebook with ChatGPT. This guide was helpful. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.